Hi, boys and girls. We are going to do some patterns together. In your packet that Miss Kelly and Miss Tiffany sent home, there was a page that looked like this. It's called My AB Pattern Mini Book. So you're going to get to turn this paper into a book of patterns. And we're going to start with our easiest pattern. Remember the AB patterns? Those are the easiest patterns. There's just an A and a B, an A and a B. So how many different things will there be? Two. Patterns show us objects or things that are repeating, And we can name the patterns like AB pattern to tell us how many different things we're going to see that will be repeating. An AB pattern has an A and a B, just two different things that we will see repeating. So that's what this book will be all about. So first, let's just practice some patterns. If I show you over here on my big black board some shapes, I see a star and I see that's a big long name. What is that shape? Rectangle. Stretched out, it's a rectangle. Two long sides and two short sides. Rectangle. So I see that there is a pattern starting here. Star, rectangle, star, rectangle. How many different things do you see repeating? Star, rectangle. I see two different things repeating. So that is an A-B pattern. A-B, A-B. Two different things are repeating. What if I want to keep going and show that I understand this pattern? I understand what would be next in this pattern. Do you understand? What would come after the rectangle? Star, rectangle, star, rectangle. What comes next? Rectangle or star? Star, you're right. The star would come next. I would keep that pattern going. I would continue the pattern, extend the pattern, keep it going, make it longer. A, B, A, B, A. I could just keep going. A, B, A, B. Well, let's try that on my share screen. So let's see if I can get my whiteboard up and I'll see if I can make some patterns with you. I'll get my stamper. So my stamp, and I'm going to pick a heart and I will put that stamp on. There's a heart. And then I'm going to pick another stamp. Well, I will pick a stamp that makes an X. There's my X. So those are going to be my two different objects that will be repeating in my pattern. I'm just going to have two objects. So what kind of a pattern is that? A, B. A, B, because there's only two different objects. So A, B, A. What's my A going to be? Well, let me go to my stamp and see if I get the right one. Is that correct? I think so. Let me pick up my stamp again and I'll get my next one. Did I continue the pattern? Heart, X, heart, X. What should come next? Let me pick up my stamp. Heart. Let me keep it going. See if I can keep it going. X. Is it correct? A, B, A, B, A, B. I did. I kept it going. That's an easy pattern. Heart, X, heart, X, heart, X. You can see it going. And just do a couple more. Can you tell me what would be next? Heart or X? Heart. That's it. And I'll pick up one more. My last piece of my pattern. Is it going to be a heart or an X? An X. All right. Now, let's see if I can get my spotlight. And you can follow the pattern with me. Heart, X, heart, X, heart, X, heart, X. We got it. Now, can you name the pattern with me? A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. You got it. Okay, that's some easy patterns that we know how to do. Now, if I bring you back, I'm going to have you look at your paper and show you how we can make this into a little mini book. So here's your paper, my AB pattern mini book. Colored by, and you write your name right there on that line. And then you're going to take your paper like this and fold it in half. Okay? And maybe your family can help you with this if you need help, but you're just going to press down on that fold. Fold it the hot dog way, they say. Like a hot dog bun would be the wide way. Okay. And we fold it. See that? Okay. And then you fold it the hamburger way. And then you press down on that fold. Go over that fold by pressing it a couple times. Make it a really good fold. And then you have it turned into a book. My AB pattern mini book by your name. And when you open it up, it says draw what comes next. Bear candy, bear candy, bear. What would you draw in that box? A piece of candy, you're right. Let's do the next one together. Crayon, flower, crayon, flower, crayon, flower. You're right, you would draw a flower in there. And then what's on this one? See it? Crayon, carrot, crayon, carrot, crayon, carrot, crayon, crayon. You would draw a crayon there. You would do the same thing for this one with the arrows and the apple. That could be an apple or a pumpkin, whatever you want to color it like. And then on the last page, we have a leaf and a sunshine. The missing piece of the pattern right there for you to extend it. Keep it going. And then at the very last section, it says draw your own AB pattern. So I would love to see what kind of a pattern you draw. You could do a pattern with shapes. You could do stars and squares or hearts and rectangles. You could do octagons and ovals. That would be fun to see some tricky octagons. So you decide what you want to put in that section. And be sure that you put your name on the front of it. So I think these will be fun to do. And I hope you enjoy making your AB patterns and turn them into a little mini book, all your own. Have fun, boys and girls. Bye-bye.